Hello and welcome to the CAD source with AutoCAD. Today we will create a 3D object using 3D modeling of AutoCAD. Go to 3D modeling. Go to the View tab, select Isometric. Circle command, diameter of 56. Circle, diameter of 32. Cut in the circle, take line command, take offset, and trim unwanted objects. There is a C shape created. Create one line from the center at a distance of 90. Create a line of 48. Trim excessive lines. Go to press pull, give height of 56. Again press pull. Give height of 24. Make circular cut. Draw a circle in this plane. Press pull and give distance of 40. Union command to merge the objects. You can simply change the view to create any extrusion. Thank you for watching this tutorial.